Hello maritime colleagues. Today I'm going to talk about the portable electronic liquid level gauge, usually known as Utimeter, explaining how to use it and why is it important for the operation of FPSO ships, oil tankers and chemical tankers. This device has to be placed in an access line on the top of the tank. It offers a range of possibilities for the user. That is normally the pullman or the cargo tech. One of the main uses is to determine the cargo temperature, for which it has a great precision. Once it is deployed on the loaded tank, the temperature measurement must be made at 3 different heights inside the tank to take a single temperature measurement, which will be the average of the 3 measurements to make the load calculations. The other important use is to measure the ullage and the water interface, if any. It will make a different sound for the cargo and the water. We had to take note of this data in order to create the ullage report. Now, let's explain what is ullage and sounding. Ullage is the empty space of the loaded tank, measured from the top of the tank to the cargo surface. Sounding is the measure of the cargo from the surface of the cargo to the bottom of the tank. With the ullage data, the amount of cargo in cubic meters is obtained using the ship's tables. Sometimes you have to interpolate. During the calculations, the cubic meters of the load have to be multiplied by a converting factor of 6.28981 to get the amount of the cargo in barrels. Another important information is the API gravity and the thermal dilatation coefficient of the cargo. The API gravity is a measure of how heavy or light a petroleum liquid is compared to water. If it's greater than 10, it is lighter and floats on water. If it's less than 10, it is heavier and sinks. The coefficient of thermal expansion describes how the size of an object changes with the change in temperature. This is important because when traveling long distances, we can have variations in the cargo volume. For example, if a ship is loaded in the North Sea and then sailed to Spain, the increase in temperature will cause an increase in the cargo volume, as you can see in the image. If, on the contrary, the ship is low in the Caribbean Sea to this share in the United States, the decrease in temperature causes a decrease in the cargo volume, as you can see on the video. All of these are taken into consideration to make the ullage report, the bill of lading, and the cargo manifest. All of them extremely important documents for the ship's operation, hence the importance of the Utimeter indicator. So, this is everything for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Luis Veloz, deck officer. See you in the next one.